Mama ordered.
Get back on the field, you game time racers. Because if you have more appliances, we get it.
You know what, John?
35% more speed. America's number one brand gets close, clean.
Do we still have his Hot Wheels thing over here? Or is that over at the
Well, how is it?
Hot Wheels box?
Yes, but you're progressive and there's them. Yes.
Bucket?
Here. Yes. Are you?
Can you lift bucket?
But those race are for are here. Yes.
Yeah, that's here.
Do it again.
It's underneath his crib.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get them all.
Okay, mister. Watch this now. Ready?
Daddy, yeah.
Now that's progressive. Call it.
They didn't make it!
Sending all of them like that.
Bryton was waiting for them to make it all the way to the end. He'll throw it through, make it go through. Oh, you're gonna put it together?
Right. See this part? And the hole? It goes through the hole. Oh, and back. See? You watching?
You know, I think Daddy likes your toy, Bryton.
Alright, let's try 3 of them. Nope, they get caught. No, they don't go through backwards, right? Only forward. Yep. See?
Oh, these are hot. Whoops, you okay?
Bryton, are you having fun?
I thought he had more Hot Wheels cars than that. Oh, good. He has a lot more than that. That's it.
Hey, Bryton, can you say thank you, Miska?
Good job.
Good.
I bet they're in the train. Okay.